Think your car's already smart? Think again. From cup holders that chill your drink, to dash cams that see in 360 degrees. These car gadgets aren't just cool, they're absolute game changers. Whether you're a road trip warrior, weekend mechanic, or just love tricking out your ride, these are the 25 coolest car gadgets on Amazon that'll have you saying, "Why didn't I get this sooner?" Buckle up. Let's hit the gas on the future of driving. Tired of boring drives and dull parking lot waits? Meet Carson, the world's first portable cinema made just for your car. It's got a self-unfolding 32-inch screen, a compact 2K projector, and it all sets up in seconds. No tools, no stress. Glass roof? Sunroof? No roof? Doesn't matter. Carson mounts anywhere and gives you movie magic on the move. With 700 lumens of brightness and wireless phone control, it's your new go-to for late-night escapes, date nights, or just solo movie vibes. Carson. Park it, play it, escape. RioLink Elite Floodlight Wi-Fi. Want a security cam that actually thinks for itself? Meet RioLink Elite Floodlight Wi-Fi, a 4K dual-lens beast that watches everything in 180-degree clarity. Just type "man in white hoodie" or "black pickup truck." Boom! Instant footage. No cloud, no subscription. The 3,000 lumen floodlight lights up your yard like a stadium, warm or cool, your pick. Plus, it's got AI motion detection that knows the difference between your dog and a delivery guy. Set custom alert zones, get instant pings, and lock down your space like a pro. All without monthly fees. RioLink Elite. Smart, sharp, secure. Tired of staring at a boring CarPlay screen? CarLink It Fire Drive Link flips the script, turning wired CarPlay into a full-on HDMI theater. Now you can stream Netflix, YouTube, or your favorite apps straight to your car's display. Smooth, sharp, and seamless. It's plug and play, works with every Fire TV stick, and gets you up and running in seconds. Long drive? Traffic jam? Turn your ride into a rolling binge zone. Fire Drive Link. CarPlay just leveled up. Forget angry honks and weird hand signals. CarWink is here to bring peace to the road, one emoji at a time. Need to say thanks? Sorry? Accident ahead? Just speak it. CarWink lights it up with a fun, clear emoji right from your rear window. No distractions, no drama, just hands-free voice control synced to your app. Smart dashcam with AI. Dashcams aren't just recorders anymore, they're AI-powered safety systems watching your back 24/7. They detect lane drifts, tailgaters, even near misses, and instantly save the footage for when it matters most. Think legal backup and safety sidekick, all in one. With cloud storage, mobile alerts, and setup in under 30 minutes, it's like giving your car its own security guard. Bonus, insurance discounts just for having one? Yep, that's smart money. Smart dashcams. Drive with proof, not panic. Knocker EDI 4 Electric Ice Scraper. Frosty mornings? Say goodbye to frozen misery. Karcher EDI 4 blasts through windshield ice with a rotating disc and 6 tough blades. No more scraping like a caveman. It's quick, cordless, and powerful enough to handle multiple cleanings on a single charge. Winter gloves on? No problem. The grip's designed to stay firm and comfy. Less time freezing, more time driving. Karcher EDI 4. Clear view, zero chill. M18 fuel. Ever tried polishing a car without tripping over a cord? Now you can. Meet the M18 Fuel 7-inch cordless polisher from Milwaukee. It's the world's first full-size rotary polisher that ditches the cord but keeps the muscle, delivering up to 2,200 RPM of constant pro-level power. Polish an entire car on a single M18 battery. No outlets, no limits. With a variable speed dial, full control trigger, and smart weight balance, your finish just went from good to showroom smooth. Milwaukee M18, freedom never looked this flawless. Pressure water broom. Scrubbing patios all day? Nah, you've got better things to do. Meet the Ryobi 11-inch water broom, the pressure washer attachment that turns hours of work into minutes. Snap it onto your wand and boom! It's like a power mop on turbo mode. Decks, driveways, poolside grime, gone in one smooth pass. More clean, less sweat, and way more time to kick back and enjoy the outdoors. Ryobi water broom. Wash smarter, not harder. Saker Handheld. Dust in the car, crumbs in the keyboard, pet hair everywhere? The Saker mini vacuum isn't just a vacuum. It sucks, blows, and even pumps air. With 17,000 PA super suction and 3-speed power control, it devours dirt like a champ. From car seats to computer gaps. It's wireless, foldable, and only 380 grams. Literally fits in your palm. And with long battery life and a full set of pro accessories, you're cleaning like a boss. Anywhere, anytime. Saker Mini. Small size, serious power. EWA N5-4. Why settle for one view when the EWA N5 gives you 360-degree protection? With 4 HD channels, front, rear, both sides, and inside. This dashcam captures everything in up to 2.5K plus 1080p clarity. Whether you're in traffic or parked, no detail gets missed. Night vision, covered. WDR tech, infrared lights, and f1.8 lenses make sure license plates and faces are crystal clear, even in total darkness. It comes with a 128GB SD card, loop recording, and smart parking modes to catch incidents when you're away. Plus, the built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and free app lets you preview, download, and share footage on the fly. EWA N5. Always watching, always ready. Ready to upgrade your fog lights in under 3 minutes? The Sealight F5 880 LED fog lights are a true 1-to-1 size replacement. Just plug and play. No wiring, no hassle. Just 100% install success. With 10,000 lumens of pure 6500K cool white light, these are 600% brighter than stock, slicing through rain, fog, and snow like a champ. Built to last with over 60,000 hours of life, triple cooling tech, and a high-temp rubber ring to seal out the worst conditions. Plus, a 4-point safety system, anti-glare, IP68 waterproofing, shockproof design, and overheat protection. Need more stopping time at 60 miles per hour in fog? These lights push visibility to 394 feet, giving you the reaction edge when it counts. Sealight F5. Like the road, own the storm. Low battery? Not anymore. The new Laxi Bluetooth car adapter delivers 54W fast charging with 4 ports, so your whole crew stays powered up on the go. It's got the latest Bluetooth 5.3, giving you crystal clear calls, lag-free music, and rock-solid connections every time. Want better bass? Hit one button for deep, immersive sound, backed by colorful LED lighting that keeps things sleek and safe at night. Plus, hands-free voice control and raised touch buttons let you stay focused on the road. No distractions. And with full safety protection and wide compatibility from 12 volts to 24 volts, this little gadget works with almost any ride. New Laxi. Stay charged, stay connected, stay in control. Tire repair kit? A flat tire in the middle of nowhere? No jack? No tools? No problem. This emergency tire repair kit seals and inflates your tire in just 10 minutes. Just plug it into your 12-volt socket, press a button, and you're back on the road. No tire removal, no valve core hassle. It's TPMS safe, and the eco-friendly non-toxic sealant is approved by top automakers. You also get a dial pressure gauge, pressure release valve, and even inflator accessories for sports gear, all packed in a sleek zippered bag. Good for up to 100 miles or 3 days, giving you time to get to a shop safely. Drive prepared. Fix flats fast. Tita Temporary Parking Card. Need a clean way to leave your number on display? This modern parking number plate does it with serious style. A sleek push-to-show design reveals bold orange digits that are super easy to see, and it supports up to 11 digits, so you can display any number combo you want. Perfect for temporary parking, office desks, or anywhere you might miss someone important. It sticks securely with 3M adhesive, so it stays put on your dash or any flat surface. No slipping, no fuss. And yes, it's fully customizable with included number cards. Simple, elegant, incredibly useful. Let your number do the talking. Solar System Fidget Spinner. Looking for the perfect gift that's both stylish and soothing? This solar-powered car ornament rotates beautifully in the sunlight. No batteries, no hassle. Choose from Galaxy Black, Silver, Gold, Pink, or Red, and turn any commute into a calming escape. Just add your favorite scent to the diffuser pad and boom, instant personalized car aroma on the go. It's perfect for relieving stress on long drives or daily commutes, and setup is super simple. Just align, press, and let the sun do the rest. For best results, let it spin in direct sunlight between 9 and 4, and enjoy peace on the road. Style, scent, and serenity, all in one little gift. Solar Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Worried about tire pressure while driving? The TY588 TPMS mounts right on your windshield or center console, so you get real-time alerts without ever looking down. With 6 smart alarms for pressure, temperature, and even sensor battery, this system watches your tires so you can watch the road. Charge it via USB or solar, no need to use your cigarette socket. And the bright LCD screen, super clear day or night. Setup is a breeze. Install 4 waterproof sensors in under 5 minutes. No tire removal needed. It works with cars, SUVs, MPVs, sedans, and more, as long as you're under 87 PSI.
Bluebox Copilot got into a collision? Dealing with a rowdy passenger? Copilot's 360-degree interior and exterior cameras have your back, capturing crystal clear footage to protect you from false claims and liability. With Blue Mechanic, your phone becomes a smart OBD scanner. Scan issues, set automatic maintenance reminders, and skip surprise visits to the shop. Filing a 1099? MileSaver tracks your mileage automatically. No more notebooks or guesswork. Maximize your tax deductions without lifting a finger. Plus, real-time LTE alerts keep you aware of theft, vandalism, and hit-and runs, with recorded proof streamed straight to your device. Copilot, because driving smart means driving prepared.